Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will show you how to delete a comment on Instagram. And for this we have two ways. The first way is go to a comment. Alright, I will go to here. My pedal racket, no, there's not a comment. Is here a comment? No, also not. Yes, here's a comment. Alright, from here, go to comments. And from here we want to delete this comment. Then we have to swipe from right to the left with our finger, slowly on the comment. And there it is. The red delete button is where we have to tap on. So tap on that. And now our comment just deleted. The other way is go to profile. Tap on the three stripes right in the corner. From here, view activity. From here, go to comments. Then you will see your comments, something that you commented. Then tap on select. Then select the comment that you want to delete. And then do delete. And then do delete again. And then I just deleted my comment. These are the two ways how it works. If you find this helpful, please smash a like and thanks for watching.